welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a beautiful video, I must say, because we are going to do something very natural, very easy to do and very beautiful also, because we are creating a everyday soft makeup look. Look is super easy to carry anywhere you go. That place maybe whatever your office, college or any else place you go. So this is super easy look, and we had used a very least amount of products which you will see in the video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video.
मर जावा तेरे इश्क पे मर जावा
As we are doing this look for everyday makeup purpose, so I'm not using a heavy coverage foundation. I'll be using this Pond's Ki BB cream, which also gives a good amount of coverage to your face. So let's apply it. You can see guys, I had applied a bit amount of BB cream on my face. You can use any low coverage foundation, or you can use any other BB or CC cream. So now I'll be blending this BB cream with the help of blending brush. I had already prepped my skin with some moisturizer and some primer before applying this BB cream. I am having a little bit of dark circles under my eyes and some dark spot over my face, so I'll be using the same BB cream and I'll be applying the BB cream over the area where I have dark circles or any dark spots. It will work as a concealer. So now what we have to do is, we don't have to rub it or blend it like we have done it before. Now we are using it as concealer, so all you need to do is just to dab it so that it fits into your skin and it hides the dark circles or dark spots. Now our base is ready, so I'm going to set our base with this Maybelline Ka Fit Me Compact Powder. This is also a super affordable and budget friendly compact powder. You can get into any drugstore. We will be starting by applying some eyeshadows. So basically this is an everyday makeup look, so we are using some transition and very silent shades just to neutralize our face makeup. So I'll be using this Wet n Wild Ka palette. It has a very beautiful shades, so I'll be using this transition shades for my eyelids and a little bit of this shade. So we'll start by taking this shade. We are not going to put a lot of eyeshadow because we just wanted to settle down our eyes. In the same palette, and I'll be using this brown color to fill my eyebrows. So guys, as you can see, we are done doing our eyebrows. So we are again taking the same palette and we are taking these three colors as a blush. This color is looking a bit more darker in the camera, but in actual it is not as darker as you can see it in the camera. And these two colors which I had used already as eyeshadow, you can also use it as a blush, so they will easily pair with my today's look. But I'll be using this color, and this one can also be used as blush, but this is super more neutral. I was saying zyada. This is super neutral, so you can go for this one. Guys, I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Kajal over my eyelids, and I'm going to smudge this kajal to give a smoky eyeliner look to my eyes. I'm going to blend it with this brush. For mascara, I'm using this Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. Guys, I love highlighters a lot means a lot. I just can't resist applying highlighter in any look of mine, so I'll be applying a little bit of highlighter in this look also. Although I know it is an everyday makeup look, but still a little bit highlighter is essential. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution highlighter brick. The last thing of our video which concludes the video is the lipstick. So here I'm using this Nykaa ka mini lipstick and it is in the shade 12M, the nude truffle. So guys, this is it, we are done. So one more thing I really wanted to share with you is this lipstick is super creamy and super matte lipstick. It is very gorgeous and it lasts till 2 to 3 hours on your lips. It is a better lipstick than Nykaa I had seen. So if you are looking for a matte lipstick and you are looking for a mini size just to give it a try, then go ahead for Nykaa's nude collection. So guys, this is it. So now our makeup is done for everyday makeup look. So I had done a very basic and a very minimal amount of makeup because it is an everyday look and wanted to keep my makeup as simple as I can. So this is it. So now we will head towards our hairs. For hairstyle, I really don't wanted to put my hairs in a bun, so I decided to make a hairstyle like this and I'll keep my hairs open. We are all complete here doing our makeup and doing our hairs. So I really like to set my hairs free, set my hairs open. So I had made this hairstyle, and if you wanted to make braid or if you wanted to make pony, then you can go ahead. That will also look absolutely gorgeous with this beautiful and simple makeup look. This is it for our today's video and our today's makeup look. So I hope you like the video and you like this look too, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Glam and Glow. So guys, as I had seen, 40% of the people, those who watch my video, they haven't subscribed to me. Why guys? Why you did this to me? Just take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So, and also hit that bell button so that you get the notification whenever I post any other video on my channel. Do try this look. This is super easy. As you had seen in the video, we had used a very less products to do our whole makeup, and the hairstyle is also super easy to do. So give it a shot and tell me in the comment section that whatever things you wanted to know more, so that we'll be talking there too. And till then, stay safe, stay home and stay tuned, and lots of love.
तेरे इश्क पे